How do appeals work in the Muscogee Creek Nation? My name is Ted Hasse. I'm an attorney practicing in federal and tribal courts in the state of Oklahoma. Defendants who are ending up in appeals either because they're not happy with the result of their case at the district court level, or because there was some outcome that the prosecution, the nation itself, seeks to appeal. Here's what you need to know. Notice of appeal needs to go within 10 days of a final judgment at the district court level. That gets filed with the clerk for the Muscogee Creek Nation Supreme Court. This is one of those important ways that tribal justice and tribal law works very differently from how it is in other courts. Just like the United States at the federal level has a Supreme Court, the Muscogee Creek Nation, that has its own set of laws, has its own Supreme Court. And that right now is the Court of Appeal from the district court. You're going to appeal directly to what's called the Muscogee Creek Nation Supreme Court. There's not an intermediate appellate court. What's important also to know is that if you are a defendant who is not a Native American, you have certain special rights of appeal related to, filing a federal writ for a petition of habeas corpus. File an application for, file a petition for a writ of habeas corpus. In certain cases, these are criminal cases where defendant is non-Native American but ends up in tribal court. For example, domestic violence cases play out this way oftentimes. There is an opportunity for those defendants to seek to basically do an appeal to a federal district court. This is a highly specialized area of law. You're definitely going to want to talk to a lawyer about what that would look like and what your rights are. It's just important to know that there is potential that if you're seeking some sort of post-conviction relief, that is, you're not happy with the result of a case, there may be more than one route, and you may have to take two routes to getting a result that you need. One through appeal within the Muscogee Creek Nation to the Supreme Court, and also possibly filing a petition for writ of habeas corpus with federal district court. If you or a loved one has a case that you need help on in Muscogee Creek Nation, or a case that for some reason is needing to be dealt with in federal court, we'd be happy to talk about your case. Again, my name is Ted Hasse. I can be reached at 918-932-2800.